Hi, I'm Bashir. I'm a product manager at Fellow. Chances are you're here because you're the proud new owner of an Aiden Precision Coffee Maker. Congrats on your new and improved coffee life. For this video, we're going to walk through how to unbox Aiden and orient ourselves with each piece and part. So let's get started. First, you're going to want to unlock the two locks on each side of the box. So you twist towards the unlock direction, remove the first one, and then you're going to want to lift up the top of the box. Make sure for you, put it on a table so that you can have easy access to Aiden itself. Now that everything's out of the box, let's see what we're working with. One of the most important things is the accessories box. In here, you'll find the Getting to Know You guide. It's got handy tips for how to use the product, and it's really lovely at nighttime reading. I keep mine on my nightstand. There's our safety manual. We've got a product registration card. This helps extend your warranty by up to a year if you scan this QR code with your phone camera. And then we've included here some single-serve filters. These pair really nicely with the single-serve basket that you'll find inside the carafe. For batch, we've already had that pre-installed. So if you open the shower head lid, you'll find both the batch basket and, like with single serve, some included batch brew basket filters. Let's take a tour of Aiden. First is the do-it-all dial. You can use this to navigate the menu, make selections, and start your brew. It's what controls this full-color LCD display. Next is the water tank. It's 1.5 liters, or about 50 ounces, and it's removable, so you can take this all the way to your sink, fill it right up. You could use this lid as a splash guard, and then close it back up, grab it with your hand, and insert it back in Aiden. Next is the 1.5 liter thermal carafe with double wall stainless steel. You'll need this for batch brew with the lid on, and it can brew straight through. It'll keep your coffee warm for hours. And what's great about it is it'll keep it warm for hours whether you have it on your dining room table as you're having breakfast or while it's inside of Aiden. We're gonna use the batch brew basket with this blue handle and these 3 dots, and then select our shower head over to batch brew as well, so that these match together. If you're noticing that the cord is just a little bit too short for your countertop, you can make it a little bit longer. So first, I would remove the water tank, as well as the carafe. Then I would turn it on its side. And you'll notice down here we have a cord wrap. So what you can do is you can unwrap it once for just a little bit more length, or you can unwrap it another time for the maximum 3 feet of length. Head to the next video to learn more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.